Hello pool players, Ron here. I want to share with you 3 exercises that help turbocharge my position play game. Now they all spawned from one shot. I remember this shot right here, so I wanted to reshoot it so you guys could see my thought process here. This was a 9-ball pattern and I only had one pocket to pocket the one in. I had to gain shape on this 2 that was way down table here. So what I did is I decided to try to use inside spin. I had been working on it a little bit on short shots, but not longer shots. And this is a little bit longer. The key on this I found is to not overstroke it. You have to hit this smooth. And that's really good right there. Now that ball is frozen to the cushion. So what I'm going to have to do here is I'm going to have to play some inside spin, and I'm going to have to come off this rail and maybe even come up through this opening. I don't know if I can do that. Let's see if I can. I'm going to try to go rail first here. Okay, I hit the 8. I didn't come through the opening, but that's okay. I can still pocket that ball and get shape on that 4. Use a little spin here. Not bad right there. And now all I have to do is run ahead, and I'll have the 5-ball right here. We're going to cover these exercises, so bear with me. I just want to run this out if I can. So now let's go ahead and take a look at these exercises. The first exercise is the easiest one, and notice here that the red ball goes down by the first diamond. Now when you shoot this, you're going to have to put a lot of spin on this cue ball. If you hit it with stun or just roll, you'll never get back up table for this 9-ball. Notice too that I've put a disc of paper up at the top of the table so that I can kind of use that as a target. And notice also that I'm just moving the cue ball to roughly center table. I'm not using a paper reinforcement this time. Now you can, though, if you are a beginner player and you really want to experiment with tip position, you may want to put a paper reinforcement out there so you can do that and have an apples to apples comparison. This second exercise is exactly the one I showed you in the opening of this video. And I like this one because this was the very first one where I was starting to shoot at medium distance with inside spin. This is a must exercise if you want to take your game to that next level. And I'll shoot in 7 balls here. I can barely fit them in the pocket. But notice here that the red ball is just short of the spot. And it's key to know that because if you're at the spot, you could scratch in the other corner pocket. So when you come across these shots, be aware of the travel path of your cue ball. And I just squeezed that last one in that pocket. Okay, the third and final exercise is the most difficult. This one here is a long distance inside spinner, and the key here is we're going to be shooting from the kitchen. So we've got to, make sure that our cue ball doesn't land on that far rail, because I did have that happen here. You'll see it coming up here pretty quick. And like in the other inside spin shots of the other 2 drills, it's essential that we stroke very smoothly, especially on this exercise. These 3 exercises, just to let you guys know, if you can get these nailed down, your position play game is going to be tremendous. You're going to have a lot more opportunity to run out. I wanted to put these together because I believe, without a doubt, 30% of my position play comes from these 3 exercises. Now you can alter these as well. You can move the balls closer, farther away, whatever you think you need to do to fit your game. But definitely involve these in your practice sessions. It'll make you a better player for it. I hope you found these 3 exercises to be helpful. Please leave some feedback in the comments section below. Let me know how it goes for you. Once again, thanks for watching, and like I always say, keep on practicing.